G'day, I'm Will McCarthy. We're here in the orchard in Batlow today to demonstrate the variable timing of application sprayer that we've developed as part of the Hort Innovation Project. The sprayer technology that we have here, that we've applied to the horticulture industry, it's been around in broadacre for a long time. It's actually section control technology, so if you think in a broadacre environment, you have a 4-metre boom and you have individual nozzles. As you drive over the ground, it'll turn on each nozzle as it needs to in the correct ordering. So if you have a small weed that you want to target, it would turn that particular nozzle on as you drive over that weed. What we've done is we've modified that technology, and instead of it being a straight boom on the ground, it's now a boom folded up in the air, and that's how we're achieving section control or individual nozzle control within an orchard. To the sprayer, it thinks it's targeting a 4-metre section on the ground, but as you drive through the orchard, that's actually reflected by the heights of the trees rather than the width on the ground. So we have a tool that will import the stage maps that you scan. It'll present that information to the farmer in a very easy website, very simple interface. So you can sit there with your agronomist or with your wife, with your family, and make a call on what's right for your orchard. And then in doing that, you can export that map as a shapefile map or a prescription map that will load directly into your sprayer. You can give that thumb drive to an unskilled operator and it turns them into a skilled operator spraying effectively in your orchard. There's no more guessing, there's no more flicking switches up and down, on and off, trying to control the tops and bottoms of each tree. It's all about having a prescription map generated prior to that application and letting the sprayer do that precision work for you. So this is a standard Sylvan air blast sprayer. It used to consist of 4 section control valves here so that we could target the tops and bottoms, left and right hand side of each tree. We've removed that and now we just have the plumbing comes directly out of the pump and straight to the rear of the machine, where we have individual nozzle control thanks to the Hawkeye nozzle control valves. So instead of having sections for the top and bottom that were controlled, we now just have individual nozzle control. So we can turn on any single nozzle individually. Commonly, we'll group them into tops and bottoms, but we do have the ability to target every single nozzle separately if desired. It also gives us the opportunity to use PWM technology to change the rates for the top and the bottom side of the tree. So you could load in a prescription map saying you want to put 1,000 litres per hectare out on the top and 500 litres per hectare out on the bottom, and this technology would work. So this is a standard Sylvan sprayer with a conveyor on the back to help us target and put the spray at the right spots on the tree. And then the fan and everything else remains the same. We've also designed a wiring loom that can clip onto these, which we can just order. It's production ready. It's just a part number that we can order and start to put onto the sprayers. So we've worked with Sylvan throughout the development of this project to help us design and develop this air blast sprayer and strap the Raven technology onto it to transform this sprayer from a simple basic sprayer into an advanced precision sprayer. We're confident that anyone that understands how to put an orchard sprayer together will understand how to build and how to strap this technology on. We're confident that this technology can scale across multiple sprayer manufacturers.
G'day, my name's Jack Rudd. I'll be going through the Raven control system on this air blast sprayer today. On this thumb drive, we have the prescription map that we've just downloaded from the decision support tool that is made using the data we just collected on the last scan. We will plug it in to the Raven screen and simply go to File Manager. It says the USB has been found. Click on the USB, go to prescription map. We find today's date and we copy it onto the Raven. Now we start a new job. We check what paddock we're doing, create a new job. This is where we load in the prescription map, which will tell the nozzles where to turn on and off. So we click today's date, we check rate, and we want to be spraying at 1,000 litres per hectare. And we're good to go. So that's the prescription map there. So whenever we drive through those purple squares, the nozzles will turn on. Wherever the squares are white, the nozzles turn off.